Yeah, trade intuition, flipping charts, mad precision. We on the grind, no sleep, endless mission. Crypto waves, no tide, just decisions. Ride or die with the block's ambition. Let's make this money, profits rain like monsoon. Bull or bear, we adapt, typhoon. While it's packed, no room, full bloom. Path to riches, straight shot, no detour too soon. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Rise, fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it.
All right, guys, that's right. Let's shake it. Let's shake it up. Holy moly. Let's get started in 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. Normally, we go live Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today was a little bit crazy. I had a whole bunch of appointments, a whole bunch of errands to run. And man, it just got later and later and later and later. Matter of fact, we were just over here. And at CCM's channel, Crypto Coin Mindset. I was just on here with my buddy, and we were watching this as far as everything that's going on with the pretty much government, economy, everything else. Trump was speaking, and a lot of really great stuff here, guys. If you're not subscribed to Crypto Coin Mindset, strongly recommend you do so. Really great guy, very smart, has a really great community, has a bunch of people that he brings onto his show or he goes on to others. And that's what you want. You don't want to hear just one person. You want to hear a variety of people. So definitely do that. Now, of course, I am going live from here. I'm going straight to, man, so I was just here on CCM's channel. Then I'm here. And then in just a little bit, we're going to go to, man, my brain's all mush. We're going to go to Piper Academy Network. And that's going to start, I'm going to say like 4:15, 4:30. But I do have to, I don't know if I could do it while I'm doing this, because it might change because where I'm logged in at. So I'll probably have to end this one roughly, probably like 10 till 4, maybe. And then set the other one for like 4:15, just so I can get a little bit of a break from talking. All right, let's see here. Let us look. We got Jesse. Jesse is number 1. Jesse is first place. Thank you, Jesse, for being here. We have Crypto Candy. Crypto Candy is in second place. Thank you, man. Very quick, too. Very quick. Appreciate you guys. And then, of course, third place, my man. We got Dylan. Dylan in the house. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Thank you for smashing the like. You guys are the best. If you have any questions, please let me know. And this is going to be a very fast show. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. And then from here, we're going to jump over to Piper Academy Network. So if I don't answer your questions or your charts, they'll carry over. All right. Let's see here. Let's go over here to this. Let's see here. We got Crumb. Crumb in the house says, God bless you for your sneeze. LOL. Very cool. Very cool. Here's this. Okay. I need more discounts. Yes. I agree completely. So there's my buddy right there. Crypto Coin Mindset. Always smash the like. Okay. Going to the list really quick. Okay. Trump is just a solid dude. I'm 100%. Now, the first time he was in office, I don't know anything about politics or anything. That's for the rich people. I don't even care about that stuff. It doesn't, whatever. And I was like, oh man, this dude's a jerk. Like, he shouldn't be a president. He's putting tweets out there that, like, it's kind of like a workplace. Like, you don't put certain things out there. And so I didn't like him. I didn't know who he was. I didn't like him or anything like that. And then it's like, who's this guy, man? Like he's like, it's almost like a bully. That's what I thought. You know, again, I don't know anything. I don't know anything. And then I started getting to crypto, and then I started getting into the government and understanding the unemployment and why they want it up. Well, because it reduces the spending. Why do they want to reduce the spending? So you have the supply and demand. Why do you want that? Well, then you don't need so many workers. And it's just an endless cycle. But it all comes down to inflation. Well, what causes inflation? Instead of treating the effect or the result, what causes inflation? Government spending. So we are suffering due to the government spending. And Trump and Doge is cutting all that fat out. Man, I love it. I love it so much. And all these people who are making the most noise to stop, they are looking pretty guilty right now, in my opinion. And for all the dumb people that have blue hair and pink hair that don't want Doge to find all these millions upon millions upon millions of dollars that are being misspent, our money, instead of housing women, single moms, troubled kids, our veterans, you know, medication for us. Instead of doing that, they want to send, you know, 100 quadrillion billion to some, you know, whatever. I was like, dude, like, how delusional are you? I'm telling you right now, guys, there's something in the food. There has to be. There has to be something in the food to make people this stupid. I mean, there has to be. There has to be something in the food because people cannot be this stupid. Now, granted, I'm gonna tell you all a story. I know we haven't even done anything yet. I'm gonna tell you all a story. So it's psychological, and people are very easily to be manipulated. Here's an example. This was a study. So everybody in this room knows what the project is. It's a waiting room, and I'm sure you've seen one or you've heard this story. A person comes in who is the subject. He doesn't know what's going on. It's just a waiting room, and it's like a waiting room for a job interview. So nobody knows anybody, but everybody's in it except for this one dude. The one dude comes in, he sits down, and a bell rings, and the bell rings, and everybody touches their forehead. Not all at once, but you know, one do it like this, and then another one would kind of go like this, and another. So they would ring the bell again, and the dude's kind of like looking like, why are these people doing that? And the bell rings again, and then they do this again, and then he's looking at him like, what's going on? The bell rings again, and well, now he's doing this. He's conforming. The bell rings again, and now he's just doing this because he's with the group. The bell rings again, and he's like really quick. Then somebody new comes in. They don't know what's going on. The bell rings. Everybody does it, including that person who just came. Well, not the very new one, but he does it. And the very new one, now he's like, what's going on? And after 3 or 4 times, now the new one does it as well. Then another new one comes in. The bell rings. All of them do it except the very new one. But pretty soon they all do it. So I'm not even sure where my chat's at right now. But people are very, very, they want to be part of a group. They don't, for the majority part, they do not want to be outsiders. They don't want to do that. So in my opinion, like all these, you know, all these people who are protesting, and they don't know why they're protesting. If you ask them very simple questions, they are the freaking sheep. They don't know why they're doing what they're doing. They just know that they're doing it, and it's for a good cause. But what is the cause? Give me an example. Like, I want to join you, but I want to know why I'm doing this. Why? What is this? What is that? They don't know. They don't know. Anyway, let's see here. Let me go down the list. Oh man, I need to take some blood pressure medicine. See here. Yeah, it just get me so mad. People cannot be that. They can't be that stupid. And that's what I'm saying. Something's got to be in the food. Something has got to be in the food to have all these men who are females. Like you cannot have the amount of men that we have with all the feminine thoughts, I guess, or whatever it is. We can't. Something's in the food, I'm telling you guys. And it's not like a joke. Oh, something, don't drink the water, you're gonna get pregnant. No, like there is something in there. Man, if I ever get silenced, just know that it wasn't me. Just know it wasn't me. People who made electronic cars a long time ago, you haven't heard about them, have you? No, they go missing. They go missing. Very powerful people out there, man. They listen in on your phones. Oops. They listen on your phones, on your computer, all that fun stuff. I'm not a foil hat person, but I mean, if you don't believe in all that stuff, then well, maybe you might want to do some reading or something. All that stuff's there. I mean, look what happened to Trump. Look what happened to Trump. All right, I better start because this show's gonna get canceled. And YouTube loves to cancel people. Man, they love to, man, I'm really asking for it. YouTube, man, last season, I had a crypto channel and they cut me for no reason. No reason. I never talked about government. I never talked about the president. I never talked about the blue hair or pink people, hair people. I never talked about, I just talked about coins. That's all I did, coins. It was strictly at that time, TA. I did very little FA, fundamental analysis. It was all just charts. That's all I was doing. And I got canned. 8 months later, and several emails later, they finally gave me back my channel, my old channel. And no explanation, no reason, no nothing, no apology, no nothing. After my multiple emails before and after they removed me, they would always just say, "Oh, read the rules and regulations." I was like, "I read them already. I don't know what I did. Why did you remove?" But they had that power. They have that power. They can remove you anytime. You can be perfect. You can not do anything, and they can do it. Blood pressure medicine. If you haven't already done the like, hit the like. That does get my blood pressure down, very down. So if you haven't already, do it. Let's see here, please, if you could. All right, let's see here. Going down the list. Is that gap filled? LOL. We about to check it out. Oh, here's my sad face. So I posted in the group. This is on the, I think I do the 1 hour. Yeah, I love the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, the price was coming up. And this is our bounce. This is perfect, guys. This is what I'm always showing. This is what I'm teaching. I mean, I didn't do it, but if we were to do a fib retracement from the bottom, the swing low to the swing high, you would see this is roughly around the 50% mark. This is why I'm always saying the 38% mark, which is right here, to the 50% mark is usually where it goes back down to. Look at this one. Pull it back to the 38%. If the market would have continued being bullish, we would have come up and broken this level. Right when it started curving this way, it's like, oh, watch out. We might come down to this level. And when we were right here, this is why I mentioned to my VIP group, I said, right now, this is a make it or break it. This is literally our decision point. If we go up and we break this level, great. If we go down, there's a really strong chance we're going to keep on coming down to at least this level. And sure enough, a few minutes later, price came down. Now this goes for my group. In addition to my group, everybody here on YouTube, if I ever draw something like this, XRP was up here, and I'm saying we have a pretty strong chance. There was two different methods. One, going to the 38% mark, like I always do. 38 is here, and then coming up, or to the 50% mark, which is here, and then coming up. This is what most coins would do, but if you remember from yesterday's stream, I said XRP is not like most coins. XRP loves to retrace more than normal coins. They love to give. They love to give and then take it away. They love to give and then take it away. But this one didn't take away too much. But anyway, so here, if you ever see me doing this, where, and again, this goes for my group, my VIP group, and also everybody here. If you see me doing this, and I don't post it as a short, you might want to take it as a short. Not financial advice, but you might want to take it as a short. Let's see. I thought I was lagging. You might want to take it as a short because this is what I think might happen. Does it mean that it will? No, but look at the likelihood of it doing this more than likely coming down because it had a really nice run up. So if you do see me doing this, this is 18%. Did I take it? No, I'm way too busy. However, we just had another admin. We just added another admin to our VIP group. And by having these admins, it frees me up to not so much pay attention to all the stuff that I'm paying attention to, but to pretty much they're taking care of certain segments. And now we can, because doing all the shorts and the longs in one time, in one trade, it's called hedge trading, because that's eventually what I want to do. Is I want to hedge trade. We might be long eventually, you know, macro sense, but as it's coming down, we can short it. It's keeping this long, and then we can maintain this until it bounces, and we get out of our short, keeping our long, getting that, and then we could probably put it into the trade if we wanted to, or just keep that money aside so for the next short. But whenever I'm having this to where I'm saying it pretty chance going down, because I'm teaching you how to trade, you can take these trades. I'm giving you the ability to think for yourself, because that's my goal, is to teach you how to trade. I don't want sheep. I mean, having sheep is cool because I'll make money off of you the whole time you're in crypto. Do I want to do that? No, I don't. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. Yes, I do have a group. Here's my group. Here's my information. If you want, reach out to me, trade_intuition. I give you exact places to enter. I don't say buy the breakout, buy the retest, buy in this zone. I give you the exact pinpoint way to enter. I give you detailed videos. I give market updates on our trades. I do so much for the group. It's ridiculous. It's well worth the price and then some. But what I'm trying to say is I show you how to trade. And that's the biggest thing. I show you how to do this. There's people right now that are killing it, absolutely killing it, because they know what to look for. They know how to trade. Now, granted, we have very experienced traders helping us out. We have traders that are learning, that are helping out. And then we have traders that are brand new to this game, that are learning this stuff. Oh, I want to show this really quick. Let's see here to this. This I really, really love. I love when I have stuff like this. Let me go ahead and copy this. So I want to show this really quick. Dang it. So this was from one of my VIP members. It says, thank you, love our crypto family. And that's what it is, it's a family. You know, our group is small. It's not, you know, 2 people, but our group is small. And it's good because I can do so much for y'all. Right now I can. Take advantage of it. And let's see here. Love our crypto family and learn just as much from y'all. So not only from me, but from the other admins, from the other members. I love it. Let's see, just 2 years ago, I was so close to a winning strategy. And Joe helped me make such a small changes. I was missing that finalized those missing components. So this dude he's got more wins than losses, guys. And this is great. Sometimes you just need that fine tuning. You know, sometimes you need the whole spectrum. But again, I get people that coming to me that are good traders. And then sometimes it just takes that little extra just tweak. My point to this comment is, where else do you get someone like Joe willing to take time to review your trades? Where's my phone? I hear my phone. Oh, my pocket? Nope. Give me a moment, guys. I gotta find my phone. Y'all can read this. 1 second. Where's my camera? Come on, camera. I can see where my phone is. I hear it. Oh, you fell down. That's right. All right. Sorry about that, guys. I was like, where's my phone at? My pocket? All right. So back to this. My point to this comment is, where else do you get someone like Joe willing to take time to review your trades and help you realize what you did right and where adjustments would be beneficial? And that's what I do. In this VIP group, I encourage people to post their charts with all their thought process on there. And I actually do a video on their chart, drawing on their chart, explaining what I probably would have done or different ways of looking at it. That way you don't just read it, but you can see it on the chart being drawn. And that's what I do. See, I've learned for many, but only trade intuition, gave me personal time. That's what I do. And you don't find this anywhere else. You really don't. I love helping people. So take advantage of the value he offers. I am constantly profitable, not winning every trade, but very high percentage. That's what we do, guys. We get people who are either brand new or people that have been trading and kind of struggling a little bit, or people that are pretty good, but just want that extra little fine tuning. I give you all these different methods and, you know, there you go. Here's just another one. Here's just another one. All right, very good. We're gonna stop chilling my group. Stop chilling my group. Okay, okay. Let's see here. And I appreciate you, CCM, for the CCM raid. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much, guys, for smashing the like. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. See here, going down the list. See, whatever happened to the visit to Fort Knox? Yeah, no kidding. See, it was always those last disrespectful questions. You know, where did they come from? Here, list. Crypto for governments. The inverse head and shoulders forming. What time frame, man? I always need the who, what, where, when, why, which coin are you talking about as well? Inverse head and shoulders. No idea what you're talking about, where you're talking about, what time frame you're talking about. It's extremely important, and this not only goes for my channel, but every channel. We never know what you're talking about. If you want more engagement, who, what, where, when, why. Example, inverse head and shoulders forming on Bitcoin 4-hour time frame. Who, what, where, when. Jesse says, yes, definitely to that. See, Crumb says, not sure what that. Let's see here. The Trump dump effect. I don't know. See, I kind of want. Get out of here, smiling face. No, I'm gonna leave those there so I can have it for my next stream. But man, this is pretty much what I want for the shorts to happen. You know, I wanted this, then a pullback, then a retest, then a drop down for shorts. But now it may get bullish again. That's one thing that I hate about being very cautious. I mean, it pays off in the long run, but that's one thing I hate about being very cautious is because, I mean, like I wait too much. Sometimes I feel like, but when my alerts go off, okay, it's ready to enter. Fungible connoisseur, my man. What's up, buddy? 100 air. What's up, buddy? Here. Stock market is major crash. Uh-oh. But my legs look great when I wear heels. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to know. See here. Yes. Very funny. See here. Market maker is listening. I know it. The oil trade is getting cooked. Ooh, no stop like yet. Oh. See Dow Jones, okay. Going down the list. We got Melissa in the house. What's up, Melissa? Appreciate you. Okay, going down the list. See, Crypto Candy says, I think it's a big mistake to reveal what we know. These market makers play off what we know. We should have a private YouTube channel. Now, the market makers, they're very smart, and they are the ones, I'm positive. If you go back in time, I'm positive the ones who made us or taught us head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, way back in the day were the market makers. So that they taught us how to trade so that when we see a head and shoulders, we know it's going to go down. Higher risk or higher chance. And the market makers are actually making that pattern so that they can drop it a little bit. Everybody FOMOs into the head and shoulders, and then only to get duped by the market makers pushing it up. And the market makers just made a lot of money. This is what I think. It's a conspiracy theory, I know, but we actually learned how to trade from the market makers. All the tools that we have to know what the market makers are doing and pretty much kind of see the insides, I'm pretty sure they're the ones that revealed it to us so we can use it thinking, oh, we're smarter than them. We know what they're doing. Only to get duped because they can always change it. That's what I think. I don't know. I could be wrong. See here. I gave everyone the top short signal here yesterday with my Adam and Eve call. LOL. There you go. I told you to short. I told everybody to short. Yes. Okay, going down the list. Melissa says, I'm always missing lies. Yeah, we just started. Okay. Today was crazy. Today was just crazy. Joe, is that a demand zone that BT is on now? I'm assuming you're referring to the 4-hour time frame demand zone. I would say the demand zone. No, this is from over here. This is just support resistance. If you want to do a demand zone, then for me it would be here, which is also it's demand zone and order block to me are the same thing. We have so many words that mean the same thing, it's ridiculous. But this would be our order block / demand zone down here. Now, this is my decision point, my last decision point before it potentially dumping. This is like the last straw, in my opinion, is right here, this little box. So just kind of let you know. But yeah, demand zone, liquidity zone, order block, all the same freaking word, man. I hate that people make it so complicated. But it's all the same word. Let's do this. But yeah, so anywhere between 80.7, 78.1. 80.7 and 78.1. That's it. See here. Yeah, and I did mention this on X that I was going to be going live today at 3. Give you a heads up. Okay. I logged in at 9 a.m. and didn't see a sort. Was about to reach out. Telegram, glad you streaming, Joe. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no problem. Oh, yeah, and y'all can always reach out to me, too. On Telegram, trade_intuition. Reach out to me. Ask me. But, yeah, I posted this not only in my VIP group, but also on Twitter, saying I was going to be late. Lunar Beaches. It's over. LOL. Sell everything. Get out of crypto. We tried. Wall Street can get its entry now. Yes. Let's go, guys. Smash the like. It's not that difficult. It's known that the females can smash the like faster than the males. And if you want to prove them wrong, well, smash the like. There's still one female out there who hasn't smashed it. Smash the like. See here. No, don't say head and shoulders. Hello, yeah. Chill all you want, Joe. You keep it real. Oh, thank you, buddy. Yeah. And that's one thing I do. I truly do keep it real. Like for me, and I say this a lot, especially when there's certain coins that are given or set different opinions that are given. Like me, I appreciate everybody's opinion. And there's some people that, you know, say, oh, the way I trade, it's trash, or I don't know what I'm doing, or I lose more than I win, or they lost more than they won because of me, or whatever they say. And I say, prove it. Like, show me. Like, I will show you how to trade. So for me, I accept the challenge. I love the challenge. And that's why I love these questions, because these questions, each one is a challenge. Can I answer it? There are so many people out there, so many, that if you ask them a question, it's like very difficult for them to answer it. Very difficult. I see this time and time and time again. Ask me a question, any question. How do you use the fib retracement? Now, sometimes I will stumble a little bit because there is so many different terms for what you're asking. So what I try to do is not just answer that one term, but just, for example, demand zone. You know, I could have showed you the demand zone, but like in my brain, I'm thinking, oh, there's so many different ones. Demand zone, liquidity zone, support zone, bounce area, area of interest. There's all these same words that mean the same thing. So what I try to do is I try to get all together so that I can show you that we had to sell to buy, order block, or demand zone, or supply zone. I mean, not supply zone, support zone, or area of interest, you know, for a bounce. But if it breaks this level right here, short city. Could we short right now? Sure. But due to the recent news, it's right now it's bullish, in my opinion. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Market makers were supposed to be good and not bad. There would be no market without them providing liquidity to the, yes. Agree? I like the idea of, and then CJ says, demand zone from where the huge pump started yesterday. Demand zone here? I think that's what you're talking about. Yep, that's your demand zone. Right there. See here. All right, very good. We are all caught up. Kelly says, yeah, the chip news sounds bullish to me. Yes. So, and this is what I've been saying, guys. This is what I've been saying. When I first heard about the tariffs, I was like, well, it's only fair. They're charging us X amount. We should charge them the same. Like, why are we charging them less? That doesn't make any sense. It's like, what world does that make sense? I'm doing business with you. You charge me a tax of 25%. You do business with me. I charge you a tax of 5%. Who's getting over? Like, that person's getting over on me because I'm only charging them a little bit, but they're charging me a lot. And instead of them being cool with me, but hey, you know what? We've been charging you 25%. We're going to charge you 5%. Oh, cool. Thanks. But to me, it's genius what they're doing. So now the chips are going to be made here in the US. What does that do? One, they don't have to pay the tariffs. Two, you're going to have more employment here, generating more money here in the US, resulting in condos being built. So it's increasing the money flow in the United States. Brilliant. And so they're saying, hey, Canada, Mexico, 25%. Either that or put your stuff over here. And it's just so smart. You build here, you employ here, you buy here, whether it's the small restaurants that are around that development area or that plant, who now during lunchtime, you know, they may get more business. You know, just everything goes up. It just makes sense. I think he's brilliant. Jesse says, thank you everyone for hitting that like. Definitely helps. 82, 85 2. 85.2, 85.2, 85.2 what? 85.2 was the bottom. One day, CJ, you will say, you will have complete thoughts as well. Everybody needs complete thoughts. It's on bit, dude. I am so amazed. I'm so amazed with, I don't know if it's generation, but I'm so amazed. Like maybe because I've been a content creator for a long time, but whenever I'm on a stream and I ask a question, to the streamer, because I'm the audience, I always say the who, what, where, when. Why? Because I know they're changing subjects. I know they're going different charts. I know they're, doing different things. I always try to include the who, what, where, when, why. Because I know by the time, if they get to my statement, they've already covered a whole bunch of other things. They've already talked about a whole bunch of other stuff. And then when they get to my statement and I say, you know what, I think you're right, but it's probably going to bounce off of the higher low. What are you talking about? What higher low? What coin? Like how long ago was it? You know what I mean? So, hey, CJ says, Joe, stop making fun of me, man. I see it. You're being a keyboard warrior. If you wouldn't say that if I was in your face, you would say, thanks, CJ. Hey, CJ, calm down, man. No fights. No fights. All love here, man. All love. CJ says, Joe, for your information, 85.2 was referring to the demand zone question. The demand zone question, Joe. Get with it, man. Where the big pump started, just like I mentioned earlier, which occurred yesterday. Yeah, we covered that already. I answered that already. So this is, if you want the exact dimensions, it is, let's change the color. Let's do it in orange. So if you want these exact dimensions of the 4-hour order block, it would be these dimensions. If you want the exact dimensions of the 1-hour order block, it would be a little bit lower. Let me see. Was it? No. It would be a little bit lower. But we can just go 4-hour. Why is it lower? Because the candle close is lower. But here, this is a good one. Sell to buy. I like it. I like it. TJ says, oh. Yeah, sometimes y'all get mad. Sometimes y'all get really mad at me. I don't know what's going on. Let's see here. So we have time for one more question. Then from here, I'm going to try to do it still being here and try to set up a stream on Piper Academy Network. So it's going to get kind of weird. Hopefully it works. I don't know. And then that'll be pretty cool because then potentially I can push y'all from here to the Piper Academy Network. When we finish here, everybody gets forward to that one. That would be pretty sweet. That'd be pretty cool. CJ, calm down. Stop yelling at Joe. Calm down, man. Like, we're all friends here. Like, we understand you get a little rowdy, you get a little hyped. Thank you, Sin. Appreciate you, man. Oof. It's getting crazy around here, guys. The market goes up, the market goes down, guys. Calm down. Everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. Calm down. The market goes up and it goes down. Emotions are going to happen, and it's okay. It's okay. But just remember, we're all friends here. We're family, okay? We're family. So we just need to calm down. It's going to be all right. And no, CJ, nobody was looking at your girl. Calm down. Nobody was looking at your girl. It's all right. There we go. CJ says, all right, guys, all right. Pass me another one. I love you guys. Pass me another. There you go. There you go. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All right. Very good. Very good. So with that being said, I'm going to try to do this. I'm a little nervous, guys. I'm a little nervous. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if we're going to continue the stream, but right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change users. I'm going to change users. So let me see if it messes anything up. So right now I'm actually changing the user, and I just changed it right now. So right now I'm 2 users at one time, which is amazing. I'm going to go to create. Let's say live stream, and we're going to do this at 4 o'clock. So right now I'm still streaming on my stream, and I'm logged into another one. This is nuts. It's like the Matrix happening right now. It's crazy. So we're going to reuse the settings. Bitcoin ETH is there hope after this pullback. After this pullback. Okay. Let me put this in the beginning. Cut. Paste. Okay. And that looks good. And then let me change this really quick. So we have time for about another one or two questions. So if you have 1 or 2 questions, let me know. And right now I'm trying to find a thumbnail. The thumbnail, we will make it red. We'll make it red. We'll do it with, no, I think we'll do it with the I like that. But I want to have the bulls and the bears. There we go. Like that one. Which one do I like more? Say this one. We'll do that one. Okay. Like it. That's good. And then that's good. The time will be 4. I'll tell you what, I'm going to do it at 4:05. That way, give you time to get in there and talk and everything, and give me some time to get some water, some more water, or mix some of my drinks up. So right now, this is freaking crazy. This is freaking crazy. So right now, wow, that's crazy. That's nuts. That's crazy. See, it's the Matrix. It's fine. All right. Good luck changing it over. So I think I did it. So I'm on my account, still streaming at the same time with the same browser, because that's one thing I was worried about. I'm in the same browser. I am on Piper Academy with the stream loaded up and ready. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to forward to that stream. That's good. It's gonna be nuts. This is like every YouTuber's crazy dream right now. So redirect, and I'm gonna redirect to myself. How funny is that? Wow, I'm redirecting to myself. That's amazing. Save. I love it. I love it. So once we're done here, we're gonna be redirected to Piper Academy Network, where I'm gonna be doing a live stream over there. And we're going to continue the party. Of course, everybody, as soon as you come in, smash a like, ask questions, all that fun stuff. Let's see here. What do you use to create a thumbnail? Mainly, I just get images. Well, there's several different things. One, I use ChatGPT sometimes. Sometimes I'll get images from the web. I ask for PNGs so I can use my Photoshop, but sometimes they don't give me PNGs, so which is a transparent image, where the background is transparent and just has the object. And then sometimes I'll have to use Photoshop to get an image and then make the background transparent so I can use that image. But yeah, the ChatGPT, I mean, it's not good. I mean, it's not really good. And I've tried doing Grok, and Grok, same thing. Like I wish I could just tell it what I want and it give it to me, but instead it like puts like a third arm or a fourth finger, or just weird stuff. It's crazy. See here, Crypto Coin Mindset says you did it and the Matrix didn't get you. Very surprised. And if you haven't already, guys, smash a like. And now right now, Bitcoin, man, Bitcoin's coming down. And see, and here's the thing, like I would love to short the entire market, because this is what I'm This is what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting so long for this get ready to short, and it's coming down. But due to the news in reference to, you know, the reserve, well, now that just threw everything out the window. Because now it's like, okay, is this just a retrace from the run up, which is very normal? And then now we get the nice run up that breaks this level. Or are we going to continue coming down and breaking this level? And then we break this level down here, guys. I mean, we're 80.7 and 78.1. We're in trouble. We're in trouble because this right here is the news that's extremely bullish. A retracement expected due to just taking some of the profit, normal. And then here we needed to come up. This was our decision point. Now it came all the way down to the 786. And now it's coming down. Where's the beginning? Oh, here's the beginning. I mean, why did I pull it from here? It should be here. I don't know why I pulled it from there. Oh no, this is because I hit the back button. That's why I hit the back button too many times. It's like OMG. Let me get rid of that. I hit the back button too many times. So this is the golden pocket, but this was the run up from this area that I wanted to pull back from. But since it didn't, now we're looking at the whole picture, and then this is the run up. So this is my 382 from here to here. This was my halfway point from here. I believe it was from here. Probably from here, right here. Anyway, all right. Here. Yes. Yes. I like using Grok 3. I need to do those. All right, so we got about 3 more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes. Hopefully we do come up from here. This is our zone that we're looking at. Here's our zone. But once again, if we didn't have that news, because I was expecting us to potentially bounce in this area. This is our zone that we had from over here. And this was the area that we're looking at for a bounce. It did bounce nicely. And I was expecting, and again, you can watch this on all my other shows, that I delete all my drawings because it's just too much. I was wanting a retracement here. So for us to bounce here, get a retracement here, now we're going to short. And we're going to short like there's no tomorrow. We're not going to enter a lot of coins, but the ones that we do enter, we're going to be taking care of them. However, what happened? A wrench was thrown in our plan. From this bounce, we got the news of the reserve, the crypto reserves, and boom, whoop, skyrocket. Not sure what noise that was, but skyrocket. And then coming down, now things have changed. You know, because of that news. If we didn't have that news and we did come up, I'm looking for a retrace here. Okay, let's start shorting. Let's start shorting and hope we break this level. Didn't happen. All right. Very good. Let's see here. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So don't have any questions. So what we're going to do is we're going to end this show. We're going to be forwarded to the Piper Academy stream. In there, post your questions, post your charts. We'll take care of them over there, and then we'll just continue the party. I appreciate you guys tremendously. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Thank you for letting me be a part of your crypto journey. And I'm very honored that you're part of mine. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where I truly do care about you. I care about your success. I care about your gains. I care about your family. Because just think about it. If you get this skill down and you start making money, not only will your family and everybody else around you life be improved, but you can actually teach your family members. You can teach your friends. You can change. This is a never-ending gift. And I'm giving it to you for free. If you want every day, I'm giving it to you for free. If you want to learn faster, join my group. Here it is. I show you everything. If you're just curious about my group, send me a message. Trade_intuition. Say, man, what does your group do? I have a video that I made. It's more of a welcome video, but I have a video that I made and you can check it out. All right. With that being said, guys, I do thank you very much. We will see you over there on Piper Academy, and hopefully Wiz gets a bounce. We'll see. This was our lower entry and not to enter now. And this is what my thought process was. We could have shorted until we come here and then keep the short open just in case it continues down. But now you open your long. This is what we do. All right. This is what I teach. Now, granted, I didn't post this, but again, I'm teaching you to fish. I do thank you. We'll see you on the next one in a few minutes, really. And this is so cool. We're going to forward to myself on Piper Academy. Take care, guys. We'll see you soon. Oh, yeah. Bingo, bango. Bingo and a bango. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you in a few minutes. Make sure to smash a like if you haven't already. When you jump over there, smash the like as well. Thank you so much. See you soon.